Designer Dimple Kapoor. Again, she's a celebrity designer from Delhi. We have a Rachit with us. He's from Ludhiana and he's a celebrity designer. Then again, we have Anjani Sharma. She's again a leading designer from Delhi. We have Ajay Patel and he's heading UNI International in Chandigarh. Right? So you can ask questions. You want to start with Joy? Yeah, please.
That I would want to keep it as a surprise, but no. I'm known for my Indian aesthetics. I do a lot of Indian stuff, like saris, lehengas, and all that. Everything which comes across, under the Indian designing sensibility. So this time I'm working a lot on textiles, all kinds of silks and brocades and ajraks. I do a lot of ajrak prints and bark prints. A lot of prints we are doing. No digital, all original prints. So I'm trying to no nothing against the digital world in terms of fashion, but I'm trying to promote the original prints, the original textiles, and the original way of printing in Gujarat, Rajasthan, or maybe in Andhra. Not only tie and dye. I mean, Ajrak is the main focus of this collection, which I will be showcasing. So yeah, you all will be getting to see all that, and a lot of not a lot, a lot of nuances of Bengali-ness, because I'm me being a Bengali. I think it will come naturally to me as well. So yeah, it's a mix of all that. And looking forward to Chandigarh because I've never done any show in Chandigarh. So the moment they came to me and they proposed this, I just jumped into this idea of Chandigarh because I really wanted to be here and show something, see the city, show the city what I can offer. So yeah, I'm very excited. Honestly, I'm very excited. And that is what you all have to say. I mean, it will come naturally, as I said. It will come naturally. Even if I don't want to, still it will come. But that is for you all to see and understand and probably get back to me and say, how did you all like it? Yeah.
Hi, how are you doing? Very well, thanks. No, I have been doing shows in Chandigarh for quite some time, but there's been a gap. अभी almost एक डेढ़ साल हो गया है. Last show incidentally यहीं हुआ था Hyatt में. That was I think approximately over a year back or something. It's always nice to be back here. Fashion events बहुत होते हैं यहाँ पे that we keep hearing, but we haven't really heard about a proper fashion week where we have leading designers, we have top models and supermodels coming in, a very nice show director coming in. बहुत rare है, but now that everything is coming together, I think we are very excited about it, and I think let's just show some of our glam stuff to Chandigarh and probably take some beautiful memories back home, and we are really looking forward to a fabulous response from everyone. And sorry to keep you all waiting, it was not our fault, sorry for that. Incredible. Yeah, I mean, it's been a while since that has happened. Alright, so I'll tell you what, the magic is not really something that is created by one individual. We are trying to put together a spectacular team. So we have a fabulous person who's actually found this beautiful property called UNI International. I was an integral part of their launch in January 2019 when we launched that property in Delhi. We had to kind of go out of Delhi scene and reach out to new markets, new people, and that is when Chandigarh happened. And everything, the moment Rahul mentioned Chandigarh, we were like, everyone was like very happy. Some of our leading designers who are a part of the project also, of course, Joy Mitra showed keen interest, Rajdeep Ranawat, Ankita, Saj Bhai Ankita, they all showed keen interest because Chandigarh is a market that does not really have a proper fashion week yet, and we intend to make it like a yearly affair, if not every season. So like talking about coming back to the magic again, it is a team effort, and we have a fabulous person who's put together the property, Rahul Passi. We have a set of fabulous designers. We are trying to put together, rope in a lot of local talent also, and there are going to be a lot of fresh faces also, a lot of supermodels also, a lot of seasoned models also. So we are trying to put together a spectacular team where we actually put everyone on one platform, and not only show Chandigarh what glamour is all about, because there is a lot of glamour here also. We'd like to learn a few things also. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Hi. So this is going to be my first show in Chandigarh. So I'm really excited and looking forward to it. And I would really like to thank Rahul Pasi, the founder of UNI International, for coming up with this great show. It's a pleasure to be associated with it. And we are working, like, it's the first time that we are getting into prints this time. And so my collection is about a secret garden. It basically revolves around a woman who likes to wander in the wild, and my inspirations are totally inspired like from the west. So the flowers that we've used, like anemones and pansies, they are a lineage from viola, which is a wildflower. And anemones are associated with the Greek goddess Aphrodite, and she's the goddess of love, youth, and beauty. So it's about celebrating the infinite beauty of a woman, and that's all about it. Yeah.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good. See, it's a very unique connection what we are doing this time. It's called Tarif. It has an Arabic meaning which is royalty. So it's all based on royalty and luxury this time. It has those velvet suedes as a fabric and all gold embroidery, which, you know, from ancient times to all dabkas and sequins and all traditional things on that. Yeah, forgotten stuff. Yes. Absolutely. Bell bottoms will be a part of it. Though we are doing fusion with that, but bell bottoms are there. Yes. Thank you.
And Rachit is from Chandigarh. So he's presenting a Chandigarh in our show. Right.
Proud of Chandigarh. वैसे I am proud of India though.
Thank you. Hi everybody. There is no competition, I feel, first of all. We all do our best and we come up with something different every time. And if we do anything in competition, I think that's not justified. So we should present what we are best in. So for the, yeah, I am very satisfied whatever I'll come up with and very happy already. So my collection for this season is Ishqnama, which is all about romance, love and emotions. Basically, it is all about the sensitive we. So next, I want everybody to see the collection live on the stage, which we are showcasing on 15th of December. And I would like to thank Mr. Rahul Pasi, which is much awaited, I feel. So thank you, Rahul, for this beautiful platform once again. I did my first show with Rahul in January, and it was amazing experience for all of us.
Ajay is heading UNI International in Chandigarh.
Hi everybody. This was my first experience in the fashion industry. When I went to Delhi, right, it was the first season of UNI International. I felt that Chandigarh need this kind of a show, right. I have been attending so many shows, so many venues, but the kind of show that presented in the season 1, it was incredible, right. So I wanted that there should be some of this kind as well in the north part, because Chandigarh, as you say, is the epicenter of, you can say, Punjab, Haryana, and the people gather here for the fashion. But I think so Chandigarh deserves all this. There are very good designers in Chandigarh as well, but they are exploring to Canada also. They are, for example, Rachit, right? He's already explored to Canada and other part of the country as well. But when we talk about Chandigarh, this the city deserved for this kind of show. That was the only reason we planned from the last 4-5 months, and this we're going. It's a 2-day event, and we promise it was a big show, right? That will very extraordinary, right? Not only extraordinary, the extraordinary. Right.
Hi everyone, thank you so much. We welcome you for this conference, and really sorry, हम लोग थोड़ा सा late थे schedule से, and thank you all our designers जो बहुत दूर दूर से आए हैं, दिल्ली से आए हैं और काफ़ी जगह से आए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच, आप लोगों ने वेट किया हम लोगों के लिए. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी to organize this show in Chandigarh. We have done our first season in Delhi. This is our second season of UNI International. I've been a part of UNI International the day it was launched. So I'm really happy and excited for this show. And I'll be managing and coordinating the whole show. It's going to be a 2 days fashion week, 14th and 15th. You all are cordially invited for that. Thank you so much.
Let me just introduce Radhika Marwa. She is a co-director in UNI International and she is my wife as well.
I keep waiting for you to say that.
I know.
Okay, so I think, hi everyone, and thank you for joining us for this press conference. So I have heard UNI International from the day one when actually we, met. So this company is launched, commenced after we met. So it will be always, I think it will always be our first baby before we have our own, and it will always remain like that. So we both live this company day and night. So I work with an MNC. When I come back home, so he has a complete list of UNI International to talk about. And I'm the only one, who listens everything about UNI International. So let me talk about the company. This company, so the basic, the value about this company is we do value quality, talent. We are looking for upcoming talents also. We have created platform for a lot of new models, new upcoming designers. We also share, this good platform with celebrity designers like Joy Mitra, Rajdeep Ranawat, and a lot of designers are already there in the press conference. So and not to forget Mr. Ketan Bhatia. I think he's also, so he's my favorite and I'm his. So yeah.
UNI is the only baby that you and I are going to have together.
Yeah. So every time something happens, he comes up to me. Okay, so Radhika, this is okay. This is what is happening. Okay, and this is what is supposed to happen. So we share that kind of bond, and especially yes, he has been a guide and mentor for the company since day one, since its inception. So I still remember we were sitting in a, we both were, I think we were in CP that time, Delhi, and we had the first call with Ketan Bhatia that was around for 2 hours. And they spoke about fashion, everything, daily, how does it commence, and everything, nuances. They spoke about everything. So I've heard each and every bit of it. So yes, he is a special part of UNI International. Yeah.
Yes, actually true. Ketan is a kind of person like he's after my life. अगर मैं कहीं quality में compromise करता हूँ, तो he will not spare me. और वो मुझे नहीं छोड़ते हैं. So thank you, Ketan. Thank you so much. Sure. Now let me just introduce Namisha as well. She's again heading, she's a production associate in Chandigarh and she's also heading a business in Chandigarh.
Hi, I am Namisha Patel. So I am so excited because this time, first time UNI International is doing a fashion week in Chandigarh. So I am so excited because normally यहाँ पे fashion weeks होते हैं, but they are very different. But first season was awesome. So I hope so this time it's happening. Show is going to happen in Chandigarh. Thank you so much.